Hey guys, I'm the Bald Guy Sci, and today I want to talk to you about if you're using Google Slides, how do you create a template that you can reuse over and over and over? In other words, maybe you want to match the colors of your school, or you want to keep the font the same, you want to put a logo in the background, whatever you want to do so that it's there for every single thing that you do. Super easy. Let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so I'm putting on this PD training in a couple days, and you can see the topic right there, but I wanted to match my school colors and go through all that jazz. So to set your own custom theme, you're going to go to View and Theme Builder. You can see it right here. Once I do that, you're going to notice all this master slides come up. Now you can edit the master slides, but this way you've got this theme ready to go. And you can rename the theme up here at the top, and basically you just work your way down through every single one of the master slides, changing what you want, and then you'll see it flow through. So for the first part, maybe I just want to make sure on my title slide that the font is always this Alpha Slab 1, right? And I want it 54, and then I can go over here to choose the color. So if you don't really care about matching your school's color scheme and you wanted to find something really pretty cool, you can go over to color.adobe.com, which used to be called Adobe Cooler, and then hit up here at the top you have Create, Explore, Trends, and Libraries. So hit Explore maybe, and you can just cycle through different colors. Maybe you want to hit trends and see what's trending on the web. All sorts of things. You just find one that is created from an image, which you can also do, upload an image and go from there. But let's say you have your color template. Basically, like I'm going to use this one maybe, I don't know. And then here are your hexadecimal, awesome word, colors. So maybe I want to use this blue, so I hit copy. I go back over to here, and then I click on the A for the font color and then hit custom, and then this right here is where I would paste it in. I don't want to do that, but that's kind of where you can get color ideas from if you want. Now you can also use those colors once they're in as a background. So in this case, I go up to background and then I do the exact same thing. I just change the color. So really all you're doing is changing colors, fonts, sizes, all sorts of stuff, bullets, numbers, all those things as you go down through here, and then you've created a custom style. If you work your way all the way down, it doesn't take very long. You're probably only using 3-4 colors at a time, a couple of font choices that pair well together, and that's really it. So that's how you create a custom theme. You hit reapply to all up here at the top, and it's done. You rename that and you've got your theme ready to rock and roll. You just go ahead and close it out, and it's there for every time that you want to use it. Hey guys, so I hope that was a quick tip to help you kick some class with Google Slides, and we'll catch you next time.